Maximize your performance on your Honda Talon with the R2C Extreme Series air filter. This air filter holds 47% more dirt than your stock filter and is made of a cleanable material that requires no oiling when serviced. I'm Trevor from Dynojet, and today I'm going to show you the install of this air filter on this Honda Talon. To get to your air box in the Talon, you're going to have to remove this back panel that's in the bed of the vehicle. All it is are these two twist pins. You just unlock them, pull it right off, and then we're going to go ahead and remove the cover for the air box. You're going to have to pop off all 11 of these clamps. Pop that off. The only tools you're going to need for the process is a 5mm Allen and a Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to use a 5mm Allen on the stock filter to remove all 8 of these bolts, and then go ahead, once you have those bolts removed, pull off the air filter. Now that your stock filter's off, we can go ahead and install the R2C filter. Your filter comes with a bracket. The easiest way for me to do it is I put the bracket on the filter, push down all the screws through the rubber on the filter, and then place the filter into the air box. Once you have your holes lined up, use your Phillips screwdriver and tighten down all the screws. Now that you have your R2C filter in, you go ahead and put the air box cover back. Then re-snap all the connectors. Now that you have the top of the air box put back on, last step is just to put the back panel back on. And that's it. The installation process of the R2C air filter on the Honda Talon is complete. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check us out at Dynojet.com for more Honda Talon products like our Power Vision 3 and our launch control. Take it easy.